Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidyalakshmi. I'm going to be preparing crab roast today. Here I've cleaned and reserved crabs. To the crabs I'll be adding ginger and garlic paste, turmeric powder and chili powder. I'll first mix this and marinate it for 30 minutes before preparation. Please follow this process. You will get very good juicy crabs. While the crabs were marinating, I prepped up all the ingredients required for this recipe. So here my crabs have been marinating. We also require ginger and garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, pepper powder, finely chopped garlic, finely chopped tomato, finely chopped onion, chilies, curry leaves. We need a lemon and asafoetida. Now let's start preparing. I've heated a cast iron pan, and to the cast iron pan I'll be adding oil. You can also use ghee as per your preference. And this cast iron pan is from Masala. They have wide range of cast iron and very good quality, high quality cast iron. I really enjoy preparing dishes in this particular pan. Now once the oil has heated well, I've added finely chopped onion and asafoetida. Now we'll fry the onion till it turns transparent. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with a detailed blog post will be listed in the description box below this video. And you can also visit me on my Tamil channel where I translate the same recipes and post it in my Tamil language. Now here you can see once the onion has turned transparent, I've added half the amount of curry leaves and finely chopped garlic along with some chilies. We'll fry all the ingredients. Once the garlic has fried well, it will start to release a good aroma. That is when we need to add ginger and garlic paste. The reason why I've added ginger and garlic paste twice here is because it will reduce the amount of gastric, because some people have gastric issues when they have crab. So that's why we add extra ginger and garlic. So add a lot of ginger and garlic when you're preparing seafood, especially seafood. Now here you can see the ginger and garlic paste, it has fried well and the aroma has started to release. That's when I've added coarse salt. You can use any table salt as per your preference. Now I've added chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala. The pepper powder I'll add later. We'll fry all this till the raw flavor has reduced. Now I'll be adding my chopped tomato. We'll fry all of this again. Here you can see the tomato has reduced well. That is when I'll be adding the crabs. Now from here you can roast it as per your preference. You can leave it semi-gravy or you can deep roast it as I am doing it. Now I'll be adding quarter cup of water. This is a very simple process in preparing crab roast. Earlier I've prepared crab. I'll post that link also in the description box below this video, where I grind all the ingredients and I've prepared. But here I am showing you in a very simple way how to prepare crab roast. Now I've added quarter cup of water after frying the crabs for 2 minutes in the masala, and I'll cover this and I'll deep roast it for 10 minutes. You have to cover it and keep constantly stirring it and deep roasting it. See how I've deep roasted. In 10 minutes it was ready. I just added extra teaspoon and a half of oil and I've started to deep roast it further. And we also added lemon juice and pepper powder. Now I'll keep stirring this and deep roasting it till my desired consistency, and I'm going to serve it. Hope you all enjoyed this video, friends. Until next time, this is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching.